Check out our finished art piece. In this video, we're going to show you everything we do step by step using spray paint and resin to make an amazing work of art. This is a fun, easy to follow project. It's a blast to do, and you're going to learn everything you need right now in under 5 minutes. Visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, Mike here with stonecoatcountertops.com. Our normal videos, we're doing epoxy projects over old existing countertops. We're teaching how to do different techniques with countertops and wood slabs and river tables and all kinds of amazing projects. But today, we're gonna have some fun and we're gonna change it up and we're gonna show you an art project that we've never done before. My kids and I have been having a blast doing some different spray paint art, and today we're gonna show you how epoxy and spray paint art are a perfect marriage. Let's get started. We'll start by using a straight edge and an old mixing container to lay out where our water and our moon are going to be placed. Using some white spray paint, we're going to fog where that bucket is so we know where the moon is, and using gray, white, black, and a little bit of silver spray paint, we're going to make our moon. Use some glossy magazine paper, we'll crinkle it up, and we'll make the moon texture. It's that simple. Time to highlight and shadow the moon. Put a little bit of white spray paint at the top, put a little black spray paint right there at the bottom. Use your mixing container as your template to cover your work, and now it's time to create deep space. We're going to use our black spray paint and fog the edges and all around your mixing bucket. Using some white spray paint where that shadow was, we're going to hit it right there on that bucket to create our highlight underneath our moon. We're going to use a little bit of contrasting spray paint to create some visual interest in space, and now it's time for the water. Starting with your dark colors and moving towards the middle with your light blues, we're going to create a fun water effect. Simply use a gloved hand to mix all that water together to create those high and low effects. A little bit of black spray paint and a little bit of white added to the edges and the middle of your painting really give it that visual interest and contrast. Check that out. One of my favorite steps is to reveal the moon. Look at how it just pops off our painting. Wow, I love the highlights and the shadows. Now it's time to light it up. We're going to use some clear spray paint and our torch to get a coat of clear on there before we start the epoxy process. When mixing the epoxy, we're going to mix it for 2 minutes using a drill. To get the effect of space and some very three-dimensional stars, we're going to add our silver glitter and mix that into our clear epoxy as well. We're going to apply that right to our painting. Use our chop brush to apply that epoxy and protect all those awesome effects. Brush the excess epoxy back in your bucket and chop the surface and brush those edges so you get your finish to lay out like a sheet of glass. Using a propane torch, we're going to torch the surface to remove any excess bubbles, and it's going to clear up for us and make this painting so deep and so awesome. Our epoxy is easy to use and it dries crystal clear. Okay guys, question of the day. What other mediums would look good integrating epoxy into your art projects? Let us know in the comments below. I don't care if you're novice, intermediate, or advanced in your art, this will get those creative juices flowing. I had a blast making this. The colors are beautiful, and the stars mixed in that epoxy with our glitter, it just cherry on top. I love this project. Hey, we're going to do something special right now. Any of our subscribers, or make sure you subscribe to this video, we're going to give this painting away as a gift for being our subscribers. We're going to pick somebody in the comments below who says, I love it, send me that painting. We're going to pick one of you guys, we're going to put it in a box, and we're going to mail it. We're going to announce that in the comments, so stay tuned. Thanks a lot. Visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. Call us for free project support. And remember, until next time, you got this from Stone Coat Countertops. Enjoy the space ride. Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again.